Hey, what's good, everybody? This is Four Eye Driver here. I'm finally at Clinton Acura. The moment of truth. My car is here. Yes, 2023 Acura Integra A-Spec C-Speed manual. It's such a gorgeous car. Majestic black with the interior red. That's just the way I like it. Now, I just did the paperwork. Everything is good. Shout out to Clinton Acura. Thank you so much. I'm out here in their parking lot because you know why? This is my first manual car. I've never driven a manual car before. They put it right here for me. So we'll see how it goes. You're gonna see the whole process. I'm pretty much not gonna leave the lot until I'm comfortable switching gears and getting comfortable with the manual car transmission, all right? Let's head inside. Whew, all right, y'all. So here I am in here driving my new car. Let's start it up. And the clutch in. Oh, they actually say it for you. Nice. Whoo! 5 miles only. Yes. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This is beautiful. The system's great. Infotainment system's great. I'm just putting it as normal. Why? Because I really, I just gotta get used to this.
GPS signal lost.
It's lost. It's fine. Okay. Alrighty, so the videos that I watched online, I'll definitely provide the links below the where I previously watched how to drive a manual. So to get a feel for this, all right, let me put the clutch in. So I'm in neutral now, right? This is neutral. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear, and I believe this is reverse. Yes, reverse. All right, let's do that again. First gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, sixth gear, reverse. Ooh, in neutral. Okay, all right, so I have my clutch in. I'm just gonna do first gear. I'm not gonna put any gas because for that it could roll by itself. So let's do it. I'm in first gear now. I'm gonna let go of the brake and I'm just gonna slowly oh man, I stalled. Damn. All right, so what happened there? I think I did it too soon. Okay, so I'm in first gear now. Let go of the brake. Do a little bit of that. Why am I stalling? All right, let's see. First here, I'm in the first gear. Okay, I'm on my brake. Then do a little bit. Oh my God, I stalled again. This is wild. All right, I'm back on again. You see, it's really not easy, but I'm actually really excited. All right, so I'm in my first gear. Whoo, let's go. Letting go of the brakes and slowly at the biting point. I want to move. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. I'm moving. Oh God, this is crazy. And I put my gas here, put my pedal down, and I'm just gonna do first gear. Okay, so I'll do first gear. I'll do it around. Holy shit. All right, I'm just gonna do first gear. I'm just gonna do first gear. Oh my God, I'm actually moving. Okay. Woo, I'm actually moving. All right. So I'm actually moving first gear. It's kind of jerky because I think I need to shift soon, but I want to stop. So, oh my God, I can't believe I'm moving. This is the first time ever using manual. Okay, so I'm gonna put my gear in and brake. All right. Oh, that was exciting. Oh wow, that's crazy. You saw how many times I stalled first, but holy shit, that was fun. All right, let's do that again. All right, so I think I have to find the bite points. You know, I have to get the feel for it. All right, so I'm in neutral. I'm just put my clutch in. See, idle, stop, temporary. Okay, so yeah, I did the idle thing. I disabled that. All right, so clutch in, first gear, release the brake. Release a little bit of that. Not too fast, not too fast, not too fast, not too fast. I'm moving again. Ooh, this is exciting. I'll put a little bit of gas. Okay. So I'm gonna move it around. Oh, thank you, Clinton Acura, for having an open parking lot like this so I could actually practice this thing. Holy shit, this is so much fun. Sorry for my language, but holy God, it's so much fun. Okay. Whew. All right. So first to second, it's kind of jerky, but this is really, this is me. All right. Now, in order for me to slow, I'm gonna put my clutch in, hit my brakes. Oh, that's crazy. All right, let's do first to second gear. All right, let's do first and second gear. All right, so again, let me do the brakes, right? Clutch in, first gear, move the brakes, a little bit of that bite. Yes. And then I'm gonna shift, so clutch in, down. Oh my God, I'm in second gear. All right. I know it's gonna take a while, but all right. Here, shift in, go to first, lift a little bit out. Okay. Oh my goodness. I'm down to first gear, and then do a little bit, clutch in. Okay, woohoo! Oh, I know I'm not going too fast, but I'm so excited. This is my first time ever driving a manual. Oh, it's gonna be so much fun when I learn on this one. All right, let go of the gas a little bit, clutch in, first gear, a little bit of pan. Okay, now I feel the bite. Okay, I feel it. I feel it now. All right, let's do clutch in, second. Okay. Woo. Okay. This is really fun. I know I'm not going anywhere thrilling y'all guys, but this is literally my first time ever riding a manual car, and wow, this is awesome. All right, this is awesome. I'm going 12 miles an hour now, second gear. All right, let me slow down a bit. Let me go to the end. Let me slow down a bit. Boom, clutch in, first gear. And let me stop it, because the most important is from stop to start. So let me do it to a complete halt. Clutch in, brake, neutral. Ooh, that was so much fun. Wow, I'm sorry y'all, but this is need some water right now. Woo. Oh, this is fun. This is so much fun, man. I low-key haven't had this much excitement with any one of my cars that I've owned in a long time. I think the only time I was excited when I got my first car, which was a Mazda 626 2002. So all right, let's do it. Let's start it up again. We're in neutral, clutch in, first gear. All right. Woo. Okay, I gotta feel that one first. Second gear. Woo-hoo. Let me downshift. Downshift. First gear. Okay. Let me stop again. Let me stop again. All right, so you really have to feel that buy point. So let me go here. Oh, let me put the clutch in before it stalls. Okay, I don't want it to stall. That's the last thing I want. Alrighty, so let's do that one more time. Let's do that one more time, and then I'll take like a 2-minute break. Woo, okay. So it's in neutral. Let me put the brake on. Let's pretend that I'm at my brakes. Nothing else is at. Right now, let me try to move the car now. So I'm gonna put my clutch in. First gear. Get brake out. Slowly, 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 slowly. Oh shit. Oops, sorry. I have to put the clutch in, then shift. I almost forgot. Clutch in, shift. Okay, all right. Now I'm gonna downshift to 1. Okay, I'm gonna downshift to 1. Whoo. Okay. Brake a little bit. Put the clutch in. Downshift. 1. Brakes. Whoo. So I have to be neutral at all times at the stop, y'all, because being neutral at the stop means that you don't have any rotation of the points turning. It won't wear your gears. Again, I'm learning all of this now. This is really exciting. Whoo. Let me do one more run around here before I take a little break, and definitely be right back. Okay, so I'm parked. Let's pretend that I'm parked. I'm in here. Okay, now I'm in my parking right now, putting my gear down, shifting to first gear, releasing the brake. Go, 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 go. I feel the bite. Woo. Let me go to third gear. Woo. Woo. I think it's too low, so I have to downshift. Let me downshift to second. Alright, keep going. Whoo! I'm picking up a little speed, so oh, shit. This is really fun. Alright, I'm gonna downshift. Alright, y'all. Watch this. Check this out. Hopefully I get it. From third gear to second gear. Let's do it. Bam. Bam. Ooh, a little jerky. Okay, I have to make it smoother. Okay. Then I'm gonna downshift to first gear after this turn. Woo, my God. I'm definitely doing the back roads. Alright, gonna hit the, slow down a bit. Boom. Oh man, okay. Let me park here because I'm gonna take a break a little bit and woo-hoo. Oh my God, that's a lot of fun. All right, let me take a break a bit and I'll be right back.